Hi, I'm Ellen Bass.
And I'm her niece, Sophia Khan.
And we are the co-authors of the cookbook Students Go Gourmet. And we are here to show you a really fun quiche recipe today. It's called Eggs and Cream of Mushroom Soup Quiche. So I have our old friend cream of mushroom soup that if any of you grew up in the 60s will know this very well. This and cream of celery soup were used by our parents, our mothers, in all kinds of casseroles. Does everyone remember all those fun casseroles? Well, it's actually delicious. I love it, but I do get the low sodium version because if you get the regular, the salt's just a little bit too high, especially with what we're using here because we use cheese and eggs and it's just adding too much salt. So basically what I do is I've got 1 can of cream of mushroom soup here. I've got 3 eggs. I have a ½ cup of milk. I have our pre-made crust that we use. And I've got 2 cups of Gruyere that have been shredded. So the first thing I do is add my cream of mushroom soup to a nice big bowl because we're going to be whisking eggs in here. So you want to have plenty of room for whisking. And then we are going to add 1 egg at a time so that it gets incorporated and so that we don't make a mess. So we're going to do
this is just one of the easiest kinds of quiche you could possibly make. You know, you just sort of mix everything together and dump it in the thing and it's ready to go.
Exactly. You don't have to cook anything in advance. So I'm just going to whisk this.
We do recommend that you pre-bake the pie crust. It's really easy to do. Just preheat the oven to 375, put it in for 10 minutes or so. And then it comes out nice and brown because otherwise the bottom can be a little bit soggy. So we like to make it a little crispy beforehand. And it's so much easier to do this than to make your own pie crust. You can if you want to. But
absolutely, you can keep them in the freezer and then you're always ready to make quiche, or you're ready to make actually dessert too if you want to make.
So I'm going to go ahead and add the cheese to the bottom.
Please add the Gruyere. We've got 2 cups of Gruyere there. That's going to go down.
We like to layer things when we're using cheese
nice
and
quiche. Thick and beautiful this is.
We like to layer the cheese at the bottom first.
I'm going to whisk in my ½ cup of milk. And that's really going to be it. Your cream of mushroom soup has already got flavor. It's got some garlic in there and it's got salt and pepper, so you really don't need to add anything else. That looks beautiful, Sophia. I think we are ready.
Gruyere is also a classic cheese for a quiche.
It's a wonderful melting cheese.
Oh, it's from Switzerland and it tastes a lot like other Swiss cheese. It's nutty and sweet and rich, and it's just so perfect when it bakes and comes out all crisp and brown and delicious and gooey.
It's the original cheese for quiche. You can use any cheese you want, but
Quiche Lorraine evolved to include Gruyere because they realized, oh, of course, we need to add the Gruyere with the lardon, which was the original recipe, the bacon. They use bacon in that region like crazy.
Exactly, and everything.
So there you go.
So this is our finished product.
Well, it's almost finished. Bake it
at 375 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes, depending on your oven, and we've got our finished one for you to look at and see how beautiful it is.
And this is what it'll look like, nice and brown.
Absolutely.
And if you want it to be a little less brown, you can just cover it with some aluminum foil about 30 to 40 minutes in. And there you go.
There you go. I'm Ellen Bass.
And I'm Sophia Khan from Students Go Gourmet. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.